QuickFuel Technology's new high-volume 130 gallon per hour mechanical fuel pump for small block Chevys will support engines with up to 850 horsepower, perfect for supercharged and turbocharged applications. It's also an ideal choice for high horsepower circle track race cars that are restricted to mechanical type fuel pumps, and for those enthusiasts looking to simplify their fuel systems. It's also compatible with Methanol and E85 Fuels. QFT's 130 Plus fuel pump delivers 12 to 16 psi of unregulated fuel pressure, so most applications will require an external fuel pressure regulator to reduce pressure to the targeted 6.5 psi. QuickFuel Technology also offers this pump as a kit with an appropriate fuel pressure regulator. In order to flow this much fuel, the QFT 130 Plus has huge inlet and outlet ports tapped for half-inch NPT fittings, and to aid with installation and fuel line routing, the middle section of the pump can be rotated or clocked to position the fuel lines to best fit your application. The QFT 130 Plus comes with a polished show finish and is an incredible value at approximately $100 for the pump only, part number 30-350-1, and $150 for the pump with regulator, part number 30-350-1R. For more information, please go to quickfueltechnology.com.